Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase financial wellness with GreenPath detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the GreenPath website. Explore the range of services they offer to see what aligns with your financial goals. Look specifically for financial counseling options. Schedule an appointment with a certified financial counselor through their online system. Prepare for your appointment by gathering essential financial documents. This includes your income statements, debts, and monthly expenses. During the meeting, be open and honest about your financial situation. Your counselor will help you understand your current financial health. They will also assess your long-term goals and help you set realistic objectives. Together, create a personalized action plan tailored to your needs. This plan may include budgeting, debt management, and saving strategies. Once you have your action plan, commit to following it diligently. Utilize GreenPath's online resources and tools for budgeting if necessary. Set specific milestones to track your progress over time. Regularly review your budget and adjust as your situation changes. Revisit your counselor periodically for follow-up sessions. These check-ins will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate your financial wins, no matter how small. Stay motivated by engaging with community resources offered by GreenPath. Consider developing a habit of financial education through workshops and materials. By consistently applying these strategies, you can enhance your financial wellness with the support of GreenPath. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.